In this video, we will guide you about environment configuration. First, we need to go to the source folder on the left side. Click on it, then select Main. From here, scroll to the bottom and click on vStellarConfig.json. Once it's open, scroll down to find the Environment section. If you want to create additional environments, add a comma and type the new environment name, like we did for UAT, followed by a colon and brackets. This creates the new environment. We'll now add another one for production, following the same process. Now you should see 3 environments: QA, UAT, and productions. You can create multiple environments as per your requirements. Next, let's set up the servers for each environment. In the QA environment, we already added a base URI for GitHub, as shown. Now, let's add one for vStellar. To add the base URI, we've included the steps and provided the necessary URL. In that way, you can add multiple base URI under one environment. Now we'll repeat the same process for the UAT environment. It's recommended that the server's name should be the same, but the URL can differ for each environment. We will do the same for the production environment. Finally, we have 3 environments, and we added the different base URIs as per our requirement. Now, let's declare the service endpoints. To do that, open the service endpoints file. We already created API object, and under this object, there are multiple endpoints. To add another, simply add a comma and name it vStellar. Now under this object, we can create multiple endpoints as per our requirement. For example, we created the pricing endpoint. Now let's try to run the UI test cases in different environments. In the feature file, while writing the scenario, choose the method that is shown in the video. Now put the name of your server in the first field and endpoint in the second field for endpoint. Please follow the same syntax as we are following in the video. Parent the object key, then dot, and then the key name, which we created in service endpoint. Now try to complete test case. You can use the same steps as we have used in the video. At the end, just use the same assertion method as we are using in the video. Now put the name of your server in the first field and the endpoint in the second field. Now it's time to set your active environment. So currently, our active environment is QA. Now let's try to run our test case. You can see in the URL, this will be a combination of your QA environment base, URI, and your endpoint that you specify in the service endpoint. If you want to run the same scenario on a different server, simply change the active environment. Let's switch it to UAT and run the test again. Now, the same scenario will run, but with the UAT server. Finally, we'll repeat the same steps for the production environment. By setting the active environment to production, we can now run the scenario using the production server URL. In this video, we've successfully tested the scenario across 3 environments: QA, UAT, and production. By changing the environment settings, you can run the same scenario on different servers with ease. This flexibility is essential for managing test environments efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for more tips and updates.